friends, welcome back to Vedita Education. So in this videos we'll see about mathematics grade algebra which is to Vedita. So let's go on to it. In last video we have seen about power of literal numbers, right? In last video we have seen about questions and examples, right? So in this video we will see partially about power of literal numbers and its examples plus questions. We will go on. So in this power of literal numbers, there are three stages. In this power of literal numbers, three stages. First stage is basic. First stage is basic. Okay. Second stage is intermediate. Now in the stage we have advanced or extreme. Okay, so these are the three stages. So in first stage we have basic, second you have intermediate, and in third stage we have advanced or extreme. So let's go on seeing of basic. So first of all, in basic, what we learn, we know basic means just we have to know the definition. No, we have to know only the first stage, beginning part of the power of literal numbers, right? So we'll start. In power of literal numbers, we have some modes. When enter in basic, we have to know the meaning. So in power, what is power and literal numbers. In literal numbers, what is literal numbers? You have learned, right? Literal numbers are those numbers which have this power and literal numbers. But we know what is literal numbers, but not power. So let's see first of all literal numbers. In this literal numbers, we have what we have. In this literal numbers, we have we have alphabets, right? Like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are alphabets till A to Z. We have to Z. Now what is literal numbers here? What is literal numbers? We have learned what is literal numbers, which is A to Z, but we don't know what is power. We don't know what is power. So in this power, we will see something more special, which is repeated twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 100 times, 1,000 times. We'll see like that. See, like in arithmetic, we have learned about something repeated product rate. We have learned about repeated product. And also please don't by mistaken here, as it's not repeated addition, not subtraction. It is repeated. The same number is repeated. Same number is multiplied thrice, 4 times, any times. So many times at once. That's repeated product. So the power is repeated product. So we have completed the half, not even half, 1/4 of quarter of the basic, but there's much more to learn in basic. Just 3/4 is left, right? So in that 3/4 we'll go on. So first of all, we know power is repeated product, but how to form it, how to write it? Okay, in this, there are some, in some cases, form means the expand form written like this. So what is the product? 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 20. Why it's so lengthy? Not lengthy. If it's short, we want it to make in power. We want it to make with power. So in that case, what we do is first of all write the number. If they have given 5 in place of 3, we can write 5. If they have given 100 in place of 3, we can write 100. So here they have given 3, so I'm writing 3. Only one time. Next, how many times is it repeated? 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 times. We're gonna write like this? No, it's not. We have to write a small 3 upon the big 3. Like this, how it's shown. But why need to form? Means how did we form it? Place of which number is given here? 3. 3 is given here. We wrote 3 first. How many times 3 is repeated to get product? 1, 2, 3. 3 times it's repeated. So 1. So 3 times. So instead of writing like this big form, we write a small 3 upon big 3. Okay. So this means 3 is repeated. 3 is getting repeated product by 3 times. That is. But some names to remember. When we have like this, we will see that names. See this big lengthy product form. What is that form known as? It's known as correct form. Okay. Now, what is power 3 upon a 3 known as? It's known as exponential form. Think of another example. Okay, they have given in place of 3, they have given 100. It's not 100. We'll solve this. They have 5. It's given like this. We know the answer, which 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 25, 5s are 15, 2s are 10, 11. Right? 150. We know it. In that case, we do. But how to form it? Same like 3, we are gonna, in place of 3, but we are gonna write only 5. So 5 is written here in place of 3. So, right? And how many times 5 is repeated? 3 times. So we'll write this 3 upon 5. And also how to read this. How to read this form. That form is read. Sorry. It's it's read like this. Now here which is product form and here which is exponential form. Yes, correct. Yes, product form means this lengthy product form. This is just product form. Now for this, what is this? Exponential form. Now we have learned about this, right? We have learned this with numbers, but in literal numbers we have alphabets. In literal numbers we have alphabets. But how to use that alphabets? Simple. Just what to do is, in place of numbers there will be given literals. In place of numbers there will be given literals, like x. If they have given x into so what we write? X into x into x. Same. In place of 3 and 5 they have given x. So we'll write the in place of 3 and we write x. How many times x is repeated? 1, 2, 3 times. So when there is we write x3, we x3. So when there is sometimes they give different letters also, like y into y, or not only 3 they give times. So in that case what will just write y and 2 because it's are repeated forms. So so next when they have given like a into a into into a, so form this form form right, is actually 4 times. So what will it be? A and so you know everything, right? You have known about basic. Now in intermediate we are going to learn two letters in one single product form. So so sometimes we get something like 7 into a into a into a. So how do this? Can we write this? Yes, we can write this. But how? Very easy. First, what you're gonna do is first write the okay 7 we have written. Then which letter is used here? A. Right? Not completed till now. Just 1/8 is left. 1/8 of the part is left. How many times is the 3 is the A repeated? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times. So we're gonna write here. See, we have a number with a literal the power. Now when they have given something like when they have given something like this 7 Hmm, something like this. So what you're going to do? How to do this? See, same like this. Gonna write first, right? Okay. Then them as the different numbers group with different. See, I have grouped them. So this grouping, we have separated A1 group, B1 group. So in A1 group, um, so what letter is used here? A. So write A. How many times? Two times. So two. And again, don't forget, don't put under in. Don't sorry. Don't put. Leave like that and go for B. So which letter is used? B. So right here. How many times is it used? One time, two times, three times. So how many times? Three times. 3 upon B. See, from the exponential form of a big product form. I'll give you some more other examples. Um, just two examples. I'll give. Yes, they do this. Answer. Okay, so I have given like this, right? Do you feel it hard or difficult? Hmm. This is easy, like this one, right? So, but first, what to do at the beginning? So first, what we do, we write this, right? Now, how many letters are means how which letter is used here? B, right? How many times it is used? One, two, four times. So right up. So this is how you write for 5 into B into B into B into B. This is how you write. That was the procedure. Now, this problem one. Don't you feel it a little bit lengthy? More than this. So first to I told what to do them. So group is A. Oh sorry. Is that A and B. So we have grouped A and B together, right? Now just try to solve it. Same like this. We're gonna write 10 as we wrote over here. And then in first group what they have given, which letter they have used? A. So write A. Right here A. Now, in second group, what they have given? B. So how many times they have given? 4 times. So that's 4. But there's something more missing. Just find, just try to find our mistake. Yes, we forgot to put here the power. How many times? 4 times. So this is the answer. They have, see, I've learned the intermediate also that much fast, just in 20 minutes. So, next, if they have in advanced or extreme, which is the total difficult, but that I'll make easy for you. So in that advanced, what we're gonna see is some numbers like. So advanced look. So this how advanced look. It almost take, it almost takes 2 lines and more than 2 lines also. So this question, right? Actually, this question is lengthy. So in this lengthy, we are gonna make them easier. So first we'll try to make them, or not to solve them together. So first, same like in intermediate, we used to write first number. Same. Here write first number. Okay. Now take colors and group one. Choose this. Now take the next color. Group second. Now take another color and group the third. Oh, sorry. Now, now take the another color and group fourth. Now take another color and group the fifth. And the sixth. So we have 6 groups here, right? So we check whether there are 6 letters, alphabets. So now, now in this 15, there are a like that, right? So first count in this 15 we wrote 15, right? We have already written 15. Now use this. Now next group is RA. Which letter is just A? So write here. Okay, write A. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So if there were 3 times, we used to write 3. If they have 4 times 4, if they have 6 times 6, but if they have 10 times, we are gonna write like this. Now our first group is completed, but in second group, which letter is used here? D. So write D first. Then how many times? 1, 5, 7, 8. 8 times. So where should we write this 8? Here? No. Should we write here? Yes. We have to write upon B, not below B, equal to B. We have to write upon B. So our second group is completed. In our third group, which letter is used here? C. So write C. How many times? 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6. 6 times. So write here. Okay. Now, which letter is used here? D. So write D in your answer. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So put. Now in our fifth group, which letter is used here? E. So how many times? 1, 2 times. So 2. Now in last letter, we have a last letter which is F. So put how many times? Is it 1 time? Yes. So we are going to write 1. No. Not at, not at all power of any literal. Because if F is there, if a literal is F, that in this middle, the gap, right? That means we have left that gap because we understand that we multiply them. Right? By that we understand that we are multiplying in between them. So when there is only one literal, we are gonna write 1 here. No. So what we're gonna do is, if it's common, if there's no literal, that means that only one that number is multiplied, not another number. Only this number is multiplied. That's meaning. So we have this big one. So if this is the biggest one and this became a question, example, everything, our explanation was this. See, just in 30 minutes we completed the 3 stages of power. Now, in last we have seen advanced, right? Let's go for examples. Actually, in this power, we don't have questions, we just have examples. So in this example, write each of the following in exponential form. Exponential form means not product form. Product form is this. Exponential form means, yes, the power which is having power. Now here, which letter is used? A. How many times? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now here 10 times more. This is not dash. It's not dash. That means they are repeated till 10 times. So in A, this B1, They have given how many times it's repeated? 10 times. How many times it will be? 10 times. Same. We won't count this. Another 10 times they won't give. Till 10, when the A reaches till 10, till that only they have given the question. That means it's 10 times. Same here in C, 7, this star. Star, right? That means, what does that mean? Sorry. Multiplication. See, this star represents multiplication. There are two symbols. This symbol and a symbol. Why we use star symbol means when in keyboard we don't have X, right? Symbol of multiplication we don't have. Either we should use small or this star. Either we have small x or this star. So this means multiplication. So 17 into x into x into x into y into y into y. That means first what we're gonna do? Yes, first to write the first 17. Now group them. So x is here, y. Now in this, how many groups? Two groups. In first group, red group. Which letter is used? A. How many times? 3. So write 3. Now, so we have completed first group. Now for second group, which letter is used? Y. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So the answer will be 17x 3 y 3. Now here, same like B1, the y is repeated 20 times. Which, so one group only, right? So which letter is used? How many times? 3 times. Same like here in A10. Same like that. It's just repeated 20 times, not more than 20, just 20 times. And here it's just repeated 10 times, not more than 10 or not more than 10 or not less than 10. Now here 7 into A into A into B into B into B into B into C. So first one, what we have to do? Write the number. Then group them. See, now I have grouped them. In A, in first group, which letter is used? A. How many times? Times. So we write 2 upon A upon 2. Sorry, 2 upon A. And second group, which letter is used? B. How many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is written upon B. Now the last leg here, there's just one leg. We just wrote same letter. So here what we're gonna write? Same letter. See, completed. Now what we have is the F1. F1 is more important because when we do give different, like without writing anything, we'll just give 10 times, 12 times, 100 times, like that. So we don't understand which letter belongs to which time. So here First 13 into p into p into p till 7 times into a q into q into q into 12 times. So which let us start? So what's one what we have to write? Write the number. Then how many times which group in first group which letter is used? P. How many times? 10 times? No. Same like 20 and 10. How many times? 7 times. Now here Q. In second group Q is used, right? Q is how many times? 15? No, not at all 15. Not at all. 9 also. It will be 12. Like this 20. Now, product form we know that. We see. For A, what is the product form? You know that it's multiplication method. X 7pq. Sorry, wait. 7pq. 7pq. Okay, okay. Here 3 will. Here 4. So here in 7p3q, what is the first one? P is how many times repeated? 3 times. So 3 times. How many Q is repeated? 1 time. Q. Now here 9b5. First one, what is 9? Is 1 is single or multiple, double, single? So right, single time. Then B is repeated how many times? 5 times. Now here 10x4 y3 z2. And for first one, what we have to write? Write number. Then x is repeated 4 times. And careful not to. And y how many times repeated? 3 times. So how many times repeated? 2 times. See, we have completed this. Wait. Friends, I hope so you have enjoyed my video and enjoyed the power of this video. Power of a literal numbers. I hope so you knew and I knew that this is the first time for 6th standard students. So if you of course like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye.